Welcome to this Easy Computer Fixes channel, and this is a quick video for Windows 10 users. If you want to actually have more space available, a lot of users have bought devices that have very small hard drives, often like 16 gigabytes or 32 gigabyte SSD drives in cheap tablets, for example. And sometimes you might notice that you're starting to run out of space. Well, how can you actually get more space quite rapidly in Windows 10 April 2018 update? Very easy. Simply go to your notifications area on the bottom right, go into all settings. In there you can go into system, and here you can go into storage. There's something called free up space now that you can click. This will scan your hard drive for anything that it can remove. This scan can take anywhere from a few seconds to several minutes, depending on the speed of your computer and your hard drive of your computer. And it will automatically put check marks in front of what is pretty much innocent and can be removed easily. Here, for example, you can see my Windows Update Cleanup, 10.9 gigabytes. That would actually give me a big chunk of space more. So you have check marks already. You can actually add check marks to the places where there's none. Usually when it doesn't want to put check marks on some parts, it's because it prefers that these files stay on the hard drive. But where it put check marks, you can easily remove this, and you will not lose anything. Really not lose anything. Not to worry about your own files, and it's very safe operation. And of course, at the top when you go to storage, you always see the local storage, the way it is and how much space you've got left. As you see here, I don't really need to actually have more space left, but this is something to check for. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.